What's going on, everybody, and welcome to Guns N' Roses news. And it turns out, Guns N' Roses played their final show of their North America tour in San Diego last night at Qualcomm Stadium. And apparently, Blink-182's former frontman Tom DeLonge was also at the concert, but he apparently is not a big Guns N' Roses fan. He sent out a post on Instagram where he said, "Guns N' Roses question mark. It's actually funny I'm here. It's not really my thing, but I'm sure it's a super fun show. Love big productions. And in other news, Guns N' Roses partied after their Los Angeles gig at the Hollywood Roosevelt Hotel last Friday and Saturday night. The Spies said that at about 1 a.m., the band and 200 guests pulled up with tour buses, and Axl Rose and Slash were accompanied by scantily clad models to the rooftop for pizza. Other guests in the hotel penthouse included Kirsten, Dunst, and GN'R, and Rose was seen on the roof sitting on the hotel's giant sign. Around 5 a.m., the band ordered up 50 egg sandwiches before Rose turned in for the night. So that was another story that's from page 6, which is like the gossip section of the New York Daily News. That basically does it for today's Guns N' Roses news. Let me know your guys' thoughts, and as always, make sure you subscribe for all things related to Guns N' Roses. Take care.